In today's video, we're going to be looking at the stopwatch feature on the OHSEN Model 2202 digital sports watch. Pretty simple stuff here. We're going to start by pressing the mode button. It's the bottom left button on the watch. One time, that will take us to our stopwatch mode. Once you're in your stopwatch, you can simply press the top right button. It's nicely labeled start. That will begin your stopwatch. It will pause it. When it's paused, if you want to press it again, it will resume. And then while it's paused, it also acts as a stop. So while it's stopped, you can simply press the bottom right button and that will reset the stopwatch. I'll go ahead and start it. You do not have to stay in the stopwatch mode. If I simply press the mode button once, it'll take me back to my timekeeping mode, but the stopwatch is still running in the background. If I press the mode button, there it is. If you wanted to do a split while it's running, you're going to simply press the bottom right button. Your reset button while it's running will act as your split. When you want to release your split, press it again. Go ahead and stop it. Let's say you're a coach and you're wanting to time two different runners. You're going to press the start button, begin your stopwatch. When your first runner finishes, you're going to press the bottom right button just like you're doing a split. First runner is done. You can see his time there. Your second runner is still running. When your second runner finishes, you're going to press the start button. Now you've successfully stopped it. There's the time of your first runner. Press the reset button. There's the time of your second runner. Press the reset button again. It gets you back to 0. Pretty simple stuff. And then once you're done with your stopwatch, you can simply press the mode button, get you back to your main timekeeping mode. It's a basic look at the stopwatch function on the OHSEN 2202 watch. I hope the video helped.